I've earned 506 points on this app. Here we have daily quest, reveal your daily bonus opportunity here. You can claim here. And the best part is that you can withdraw your earnings using PayPal, and it is available worldwide. So whether you're watching this video from Kenya here, from US, Nigeria, this app is actually a legit app to start making money by just playing games. So whether you are in South Africa, you can go on to Google, then download this app, then start taking these points, which later you can convert them into real money. So you can redeem your money when you have reached $3, $5, $10, $25 to $50, and it is worldwide. So when you hit $3 threshold, you can withdraw to PayPal. And make sure to enter your PayPal email so that this app can verify and then send money to you within 72 hours. So I asked Gemini AI if this app is a legit app, and the answer is yes. AppKarma is a legitimate reward app that genuinely pays you for trying mobile tasks. Now this is the interface of this AppKarma. As you can see, we have achievement badges, Cash Karma rewards, this is survey, Mint Karma rewards, we have Wishing Well Android, and 76 people have partaken this game. Here Mint Karma, 250 plus people are playing this Mint Karma reward here. Now we have more games that you can play on this app to earn a reward. For example, now we have offers, 30 offers here. Water sort puzzle, that 5 people have partaken this water sort puzzle. We have pocket broker, total points of 77. 2 people have chosen to install this pocket broker on their mobile device to earn these points. We have Diamond City, 148 points, and we have also Hexa Garden Stack. This is 542 total points. We have Arrow Out. This is 902 total points. When you play, you earn a total point. Now let's try to play this. Let's try to install this Pocket Broker on our device to see if we are going to get these points. Now this is, it's redirecting, so let me be patient and wait to see the redirections. Now as you can see, AppKarma app has redirected me to Pocket Broker app. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to install this Pocket Broker app on my phone so that I can receive those 77 points. So I'm going to install it. I have installed this Pocket Broker and a reward is in progress. So I'm waiting for 77 points to enter into my 506 points. Now you can keep on trying other games, not necessarily that you rely or you just stick on one game. You can play Arrow Out, you can play Heroes vs Crazy Wiggler, you can play Woody Nuts Puzzle, Hole Collect, Black Hole 3D. You can also play Rocket Hits or Hope Stacks 3D Color Sort. You can play all sorts of games here to increase your points, and once you reach the withdrawal threshold, you can cash out your money to your PayPal. Now the best part with this app Karma is that they also offer bonuses. For example, we have butterfly scratch card here. You can scratch now here. Then we have enter referee code. You can use a code to claim this 300 points. For example, when I'm referring you to this app, when you enter or you use a referral code, they can give you 300 points to your app Karma account. When you complete your profile here, you can also earn 50 points by just completing your profile, quick and easy. So look here, your referee gets 300 points when they use your invite link or code. So make sure to use my referee code. You can click, then enter Kanyanya, or you can just click on this link in the description here to get 300 points for free. Now on this app you can also watch videos. We have watch videos here. There are a lot of things that you can just do here on this app. For example, first quest. Complete your first daily quest. Then you earn 250 points. Batch details. You earn 50 points by just completing simple tasks here. Earn 25% of what your referral earned today. Become a VIP. You can also watch videos here. Digital turbine. Very easy to make money online, especially during your free time. When you are free, you can just use the link in the description, then start playing games. Any level that you reach by playing games, this app rewards you. Not necessarily that you need to complete the game to be rewarded. Any game that you play counts. So make sure to use the link in the description to get started today. I told you when you use the link in the description, you get 300 points for free. And I also get 300 points for free. Now you can redeem, as I told you, you can redeem your money via PayPal. You can redeem $3 when you accumulate enough points to withdraw your $3. You can redeem them to your PayPal. Make sure to enter your PayPal email, and it should be a valid PayPal email so that they can send your money within 72 hours. So subscribe to this channel. Till the next time, bye.